In Sri Lanka, 30% of people work in the land, yet agriculture contributes only 7% to our economy. There is a massive gap between potential and reality. What if we could bridge that gap? What if every small farmer had access to smart data-driven decisions? Meet Growa, where traditions meet innovation. In our Growa web application, we have implemented smart authentication system. Starting with our user-friendly sign-in system, farmers can quickly get access to their dashboard. So here you can see our multilingual support dashboard. Growa support both English and single language, make it accessible to local Sri Lankan farmers. The interface is instantly adapts to your preferred language. The most important feature of our Growa web application is intelligent dashboard overview. This dashboard provides comprehensive view of your farming operation through 4 key modules. First one, yield progress module. Track crop growth stages with visual timeline. Second, interactive point of interest. Manage farm location with satellite imaging. Third, price tracker. Monitors market trends and price predictions. Fourth and most important, ProBuddy AI Assist, your 24 hours farming expert powered by artificial intelligence. Let's go one by one. Yield progress section. Our yield progress section transforms crop management. Watch how farmers can track their crop from seed germination to harvest. The interactive timeline shows completed stages and missed activities and predict future milestones. This visual approach helps farmers stay on their schedule and maximize their yield. The next feature is AI-powered plant diagnosis. This revolutionary plant health diagnosis using AI. Farmers can simply upload a photo of affected crops and our system instantly identifies issues. Here, I will upload a Lankan trips photo as example. So then our system instantly identify it and provide necessary remedies for it. Let's see it. So we can go to our next section, ProBuddy AI Assistant. This is 24/7 farming assistant. It provides real-time answers to any agricultural questions. With asking pH, soil management, pest control, planting schedules, ProBuddy delivers expert advice instantly. Let's see an example. The next important feature is our smart planning tools. Our planning modules offers mainly 2 options. First one is price predictor. It predicts your current crop's profit using some parameters. Let's see how it will work. The next one is crop recommender. Crop recommender analyzes soil conditions, climate data, and market factors to suggest most profitable crops for specific farming conditions. Our market section provides real-time prices of vegetables, so farmers can quickly see the current market trend. Growa represents the future of farming, combining traditional agricultural wisdom with cutting-edge AI technology. From crop planning to harvest optimization, every feature is designed to increase productivity, reduce costs. This is precision agriculture made accessible to everyone.